Samdech Techo Hun Sen asks the Borey owners to rearrange installments to avoid house confiscation. Due to the global economic problems caused by the COVID-19 pandemic and the Ukraine-Russia war, Cambodia has also been affected. In response to this, Samdech Techo Hun Sen, during a meeting with a total of 57 workers from 11 factories in Kampong Tralach and Samaki Meanchey districts, Kampong Chhnang province second time on the morning of June 9, 2023, he raised the issue of house confiscation by Borey owners for buyers who pay in installments late or cannot afford to pay according to the contract. In that, he recommended rearranging the installment payment by increasing the installment period. To reduce the monthly payment amount, he added that this method does not make the Borey owner lose, but only profit because of the longer loan period. He said that the confiscation caused a lot of pain to the people who were confiscated, and that the confiscation will cause economic problems in Cambodia. He said that this adjustment is to help people living in this nation, not to wait to give alms in the next life, because this method benefits both sellers and buyers. He also called on the buyers of the Borey to try to pay the down payment to the Borey owners after receiving the mediation from the Borey owners, and not to rely on the Prime Minister to intervene to stop paying them. He instructed the Deputy Prime Minister, the Minister of the Ministry of Economy and his advisors to re-examine the sales contracts, search for data on which Borey confiscated the houses from their buyers and how many houses were confiscated. He said that it is not good to seize the house and become rich on their tears. Samdech's speech was highly applauded by the people, especially the people who are facing this problem. In it, they raised the Samdech slogan, "No more seizures today or tomorrow."
มันบ้านบ้องประมาณแค่ឧទាហរណ៍ថាឥឡូវទៅឲ្យបងមួយឆ្នាំមួយខែទៅបង500ហើយបងរយៈពេល15ឆ្នាំឥឡូវយើងអាចរៀបចំអនុទានឡើងវិញតាមរយៈថាពីដើមបង15ឆ្នាំបងមួយខែ500ឥឡូវយើងទាញអូបឡាយឲ្យទៅបង20ឆ្នាំជាមួយនឹងការបថយមកបងត្រឹមតែ400ឬ350ក្នុងមួយខែវិញធ្វើយ៉ាងនេះបើជៀសបានដល់ការរឹបអូសភ្លាមដែលវាជារឿងឈឺចាប់មួយសម្រាប់អ្នកទិញអចលនទ្រព្យហើយណា